In Vietnam's pristine highland, where the air is fresh and nature untouched, women take pride in their long and lustrous hair. They have a long and strong hair. These women, living in harmony with nature, taking care of hair with herbal, such as pomelo leaves, lemongrass and rice water. With such lifestyle habits, Vietnamese women owns hair is truly strong, shiny and stands out for its quality.
Thì em thấy cái chất tóc Việt Nam của mình là khá là ok, mà so với cái khu vực Đông Nam Á nói riêng thì là khá là đẹp.
Seizing this potential, the CEO embarked on an entrepreneurial journey to transform it into high-quality hair products.
Nhưng đến bây giờ thì em là có 2 cơ sở, một ở đây ở Nam Định đây và 2 là ở Hòa Bình. Thì số lượng công nhân của em nó cũng phải gần 500 công nhân.
First, hair is collected directly from the heads of Vietnamese women by traders. Then, the hair is divided into bundles and selectively processed at our dealer. Hair is delivered to AZ Hair Factory. The hair is then washed with premium specialized shampoo and conditioner, followed by drying in a controlled room. To dry the hair, we use specialized dryers set to the appropriate temperature. The hair is then carefully sorted once again and moves on to processes such as sewing and straightening. The wig making process is carried out with great attention to detail. To meet the required standards, the connections are meticulous and intricately hooked together. We offer a wide range of product, various styles and lengths customized to your order and sold at factory prices. Goods are carefully checked before delivery to customers. Our sales provide 24/7 customer support in multiple languages, English, French. Contact us now.